So if you're out there listening to me, I just want to encourage you. Um, this is my channel. Uh, I want you to press the subscribe button. My name is Adegoke Omotola. I'm a leadership and customer service expert. Um, I'm also the author of the book Customer Retention and Experiential Approach, and also the author of the book Selling in Crisis. Also, I have courses on Udemy, world class customer service, udemy.com. So go there and enroll for the online course. It's an amazing course. It's helped so many people to pivot even at this time. World class customer service. We also have professional selling skills in crisis, even on that platform, udemy.com. So, um, you know, I'm not advertising for LinkedIn, but I just believe that, it was a platform that helped me to pivot. Also helped me to showcase myself and add value. There are a lot of opportunities out there to make seven figures, but to make seven figures also is a thing of mindset. Is a you must see yourself adding value on a daily basis. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. You're not just going to show up. You must